raccoon. Hey there, young explorers. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the cleverest critters around, the raccoon. Did you know that raccoons are known for their incredible problem-solving skills? These furry creatures can figure out how to open all sorts of tricky things. And here's a fun fact. Raccoons have super sensitive paws that can feel for food underwater. They're like nature's little detectives. Raccoons are sticklers for cleanliness. They wash their food before eating, just like we wash our hands before dinner. Another cool thing about raccoons is they're excellent climbers. They can scurry up trees and buildings in a flash. Oh, and those masks on their faces? They're not just for style. They help reduce glare from bright lights and enhance their night vision. So, there you have it, kids. Raccoons are not just cute. They're super smart, clean, and excellent climbers. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating furry friends today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you had fun. And as always, keep exploring and stay curious about the amazing creatures in our world. See you next time!